What's the problem? What are you doing?
Cutting this so we don't have to remove that hose thing. It's
Where?
underneath the boiler.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't look sure.
We cut it here. Yeah. When you cut it,
Yeah. Tell us.
always go like that.
Like that?
Go back. Yeah. And then
Okay.
and then this one.
Okay.
Always go back. Just do it like that, no?
Like that?
On the side.
That's the technique?
Just make a mark.
More, yeah?
Marking.
Okay.
Like this. Now you need the pilot.
The what?
Pilot to make it smooth. This is my toolbox here. All my goodies.
Wow.
See? It's not nice to hold. So if you stand it this way,
Mm-hmm.
when you hold it, it's not gonna be a problem with your finger. Not gonna have a, what do you call it?
Cuts.
Splinter? Of course.
Oh, wow. That's what we want to hear.
That's why. I'm always up to safety. Health and safe, contamination. Yes, general,
General.
safety. So that should be alright.
Wow.
Let me check. See, smooth.
Ah.
See, so even if you touch it, it's okay.
Okay.
Here, if you need a vacuum,
How much? 5 pounds?
I got 2 vacuum here. Look.
5 pounds?
No, I think Bibs made one. So, that's that. Now I can take it back. Look like it's going to rain, no? So, one more job to be done. Check its work. Yeah. Come and see. Come and look. How the master do it. See there? So once we put this, we don't need to take this off and put it back. So it's not nice. So you slide it there, and then you turn it. Oh no, it's not turning. Don't know why.
Alright, stop the video. Okay. So we got it in. There's a pipe at the back. That's why we had to cut that hole. And it's in. Finally in.
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, open.